Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to easily deposit money to Kraken from bank account. So now, let's begin. First thing we need to do is open Kraken in your web browser. And here, you will need to click on transfer. Then, find the deposit section and now search up what currency you want. After that, you can choose to fund it manually or directly. If you want to fund it manually, you just need to put how much money do you want to deposit and you need to fill out every information needed about your bank details. And another way is to fund it directly. You need to click fund directly and then click on continue. Then you can choose your bank. And that is how to easily deposit money to Kraken from your bank account. And that is everything for this video. If this helped, please leave a like and subscribe.